how to create a new Instagram account. You have to open Instagram and then you have to go to your profile and click on these three dots, go to settings, and after that you have to scroll down, click on add account, create new account, and you have to give a name. So I'm giving this name, and after giving the name you have to click on next, and after that you have to give a password. So any password will work. Make sure it's a bit strong. So I'm giving this password. Save password should be checked. Click on next, and you have to complete the sign up. And after completing the sign up, you will be redirected to another web page, and it will tell you to get Facebook suggestions. I will skip this portion, so I will skip this portion as well. And after that my
Follow
Instagram
other
account
accounts to
has
see
been
photos and
created. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and like the channel.